Hi, I'm Marna, and my dog's squeaking a toy in the background if you hear it. Went to the dollar store, and you know, the Dollar Tree just keeps getting better and better. It really does. I'm just sure we're going to walk in there and it's going to be like the $5 store. Anyway, they had blind bags for Barbie. I know a lot of you like those. I'm not a big fan, but I bought it anyway. Look at these cute little, it gives you a little shelf and 4 little purses to hang on your shelf. How cute is that? And then they had another little shelf, and that one has like little crowns and headbands and 2 pairs of glasses. So there's 4 headbands and 2 pair of glasses in that shelf. And then this shelf, how cute is that? 4 pair of shoes, $1. 4 pairs of Barbie, and I'm going to verify that this is from Mattel. Okay, here it is. Mattel Canada Incorporated. So I got extra shoes. I just thought they were cute. And yeah, I got extra shoes. Anyway, let's open the blind bags and see what we got. Career figures. So I'm guessing it's those little Barbies. Oh my goodness. Now I wish I would have gotten more. Okay, I like blind bags now. Look at the size of that Barbie. Oh. I thought the other ones were small. She's holding a cat. Can you see that she's holding a cat? She's like a veterinarian. She even has little eye makeup on. Oh, wow, that's really cute.
New smallest Barbie.
New smallest, yeah. Okay, let's open this one. Cool things. I don't know, but I want to go back to the dollar store. Oh, I got to go back to the Dollar Tree. Okay, these really are cute. I mean, really are adorable. This one is holding a hair dryer. Can you see that? How cute is that? I should show the back of this one also. Oh my goodness, those are cute. So these came from the Dollar Tree, $1 each. And I think this should be a hidden giveaway. And I think you might want to have the 4 pairs of shoes on the shelf. If you are a subscriber, if you will leave a comment, and if you will leave a like, we will have a drawing, and these could be yours. Thanks for watching. And even if you don't need Barbie shoes on a stand, please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe.